Hey guys, this is Rain, founder of Forex 100. I have spotted this fantastic trade. So I was like thinking, since I have not create any video analysis on the trading view platform, why not we just do one over here, correct? I have done multiple live streaming and really glad to be the first few traders, analysts to actually try out the streaming. I understand that it has not opened to the public yet. Just be a bit patient on that. But what I want to share with you is what I've spotted over here. So, along with a couple of things I'm going to share with you today, is that one of the favorite setup is known as a double top setup, correct? The trading setup, double top over here. Okay, this is the first top. And let me just turn on the continuous drawing tool. All right, market came down, went back up again. Yes, it created a new high. However, it failed to break and close above this high, which makes this even better. And if you look down, over here, we have the RSI divergence, meaning we say the first top is higher. Even moving towards the first top has not reached. The RSI went higher and it slowed down. So it's a pretty good shorting opportunity over here, especially you have a long shadow candle, and some of these will traders will call this a tweezer top, correct? Over here. So terminology aside, it's just a double top. What's important is that, it's not about the strategy, but where it lands. It lands within the sell zone over here. And previously I drew the sell zone this manner. Okay, and I have stand up upwards because this shadow act as like a additional wall, as additional resistance for traders. So in order for this sell zone to be broken, right now the market has to break and close above this. So if the next wick came up much higher and came down, slammed back down, and it became a really huge wall. And that's when the market, let's say, have a flash crash event a couple of years ago is pretty popular, that the market would just crash within a day without really good explanation on that. And most of the time they will say things like it's because of those algo traders and stuff like that. But who knows, right? So not important. So it make trading really tough because you have this ultra long wick that stretch from hundreds to thousands of pips. Yeah, you hear me right. Hundreds to thousands of pips, and you wonder where you have to put your stops, correct? So this week where I've been doing a lot of testing. Of course, when those ultra long wick happen, then is your call how you're going to do it. You can ignore in a way, but at the back of your mind, you have to remember that there is still a additional wick you have to look into as the ultimate support of resistance area, and many of times it has proven that those wick are respected as well. All right, so when this double top has completed, how do I know it's completed? It has retraced back up. What I want to show you is that how you should draw your Fibonacci. There are many ways that different traders are doing it. Some, let's say, imagine here there's a long wick. They will draw from the longest peak all the way down. Other traders like myself, I'll be drawing at the most recent move, because the most recent retracement has more value over the big picture in the short term, at a short time, correct? So, and the double top pattern with a retracement, the level I'm waiting for a re-engagement for a shorting opportunity. And sometimes this kind of setup is one of my favorite because I know where is the support I'm going to look into as my first target, correct? So sometimes double top, yes, you can look for structure. This is structure. This could be my target one. This could be my target one as well. Look left, structure always leaves clue, but you can't always like get it right, correct? Like how could you get it is here. Maybe you say it's this week, correct? So, but there are two other levels above. So to be certain, you have to wait for a retracement backup. Might not be the best way, but it's an opportunity for you to look for a shorting opportunity with clear targets and stops. All right. So the retracement area for a shorting opportunity will range from 61.8 over here, 61.8 all the way to the 100% at this level. Okay. And this will be the zone perfect for shorting for me. And if the market break and close above closing price above 80.66, then this setup will be invalid. All right. So you just have to know these rules because it really determines how you trade. So I really engaged the trade in all the trading platform I'm in. And first target will go all the way to the previous low, 80.13, and that's when I'm going to shift my stops entry. And I'll analyze, if there's a lower level. If not, I'll close all my trades. So that's pretty much I want to share with you this week. I have these thoughts of creating different topics and content, regarding trading related. Sometimes could be mindset related. Sometimes could be technical analysis like this. I have been having these thoughts since Monday, 2 days back, but I just can't think of any content, correct? And today when this setup happens, and I thought that, hey, why not we talk about the double top or double bottom retracement area as a trading field for today. And maybe Thursday, Friday, we can open up a live session in my Telegram group. You can drop me a message. I will send you the link where we are going to host Ask Me based on the topic that I'm sharing for the week. That means questions related to this, you can just pop by. And you can even give me some suggestions what you want to learn, all right, in the following week. That's pretty much I have for you today. Remember, always plan your trade and trade your plan, and check out the written analysis of this double top retracement. All right, take care guys, and have a great 2021. Take care. Bye.